Good afternoon, team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up My Canal. So your girl is just coming back home. I went and buy battery for this thing so I can weigh how much kilo I am right now. And because if you guys have not followed me on my beauty channel, I am on not a weight gain journey, but I'm trying some supplements and it has been really working. So I really want to see if that also will, let me take off this thing, yeah, if that also will help me with my weight gain journey. So I want to kind of know how many kilos I weighed. I went to buy a plant. You guys know I have asthma and I have allergic problem, so plants really helps me with my allergic and my asthma, because plants really helps to clean the hair, clean the toxicness in the air. So I have plants almost all over my house. I have plants. I have plants in the living rooms. I have like 3-4 different plants in the living room, and so I have one big aloe vera plant in the bedroom here. So I went and buy the spider plant because I want to put it like in that corner there. I order a nightstand. The one I was looking for, they didn't really have it, so I just ordered the one that was available, and I thought that one was nice, so I just ordered that one. It's a brown one. I ordered that one, and it's coming hopefully next month or something because it takes time. So I went ahead and buy some spider plants. So I'm going to put it here. And I also went to the Kruisvat. I went to buy some new candles. Oh, because the other one is almost finished. I bought the same. I love this smell. It's so beautiful. And I also bought this one. This one smells so good. This one smells really, really nice. You know how this smell? This one reminds me. It smells like, it kind of have that same smell that the Tom Ford's vanilla tobacco, the perfume. I do have the perfume, and it kind of give me that same smell. I don't know, but it smells really nice. So I saw it there. It was new. I also got a packet from AliExpress. Let me open it, yeah. Let me show you guys what I get. You know, AliExpress, when you buy stuff there, things doesn't come around till 1906. So these things are not new stuff, but just that they don't come around easily. They come like little by little, because I think the people in AliExpress, they also have to pay for shipping. So that's the reason why they don't, if you buy something, they wouldn't send everything at once, so that it can also help them not to pay for shipping. So the sweatsuit that I bought, I also get the white one. So the white and the black are now here. Just put them there because I have to wash them. And I also went to the store and I bought, oh my phone. I went to the store and I bought a lot of stuff. I bought some water. I'm going to be using this water to make aloe vera hairspray. I don't use the tap water, so I buy water like this. Hairspray for my hair as a leave-in conditioner. And I also went to the Vibra. I bought this thing like to clean dust, easy cleaning dust, like, because I can't really stand dust. I have allergic problem. So I have this one which I clean to clean dust. I pick up 2 of it. And I told you guys the last time I'm going to the eye doctor to get a new glasses. So this one is still good, but my eyes, oh yeah, but my eyes is, you know, one is a little bit more getting slechter, not slechter. So I need the glass to be, the lens need to be, and the sterker, what's the sterker, what's the sterker, I don't know, sterkte, oh, what is sterkte in English? Like the strongness of the lens for me to see needs to be a little bit upward. So I went and get a new one. So this is the old glasses. I can still see very good with this one, but just that certain things no. So I need a new glasses. So this is the new glasses, I went and this is what I picked. So normally your insurance will pay for you when you pick glasses, but you have certain amount. So like for this one, because the glass the glass is just normal black glass, the glass itself wasn't expensive. It's not a designer, it's just a normal. So I didn't pay anything with this one because my insurance could cover everything. But with this one, because I choose a different type of glass, it's a little bit like a designer, not really like designer, really high expensive designer, but it's a little bit like the merk. In Holland we call it merk is merk braille, a little bit designer braille, but it's not that super expensive designer. So because I choose this one, so I had to pay extra. And also because I also let them change my summer glasses to this is a summer glasses, and I let them change the lens, the lens. So this one now, even though I can't see very well, but this summer glasses have sterkte. When I wear it, it's just the same like when I wear this one, so I can see pretty good. Things are not like how do you call it, it's not vast, it doesn't look, things are not mixed together. I can see very clear. It's the same as this one, but so they changed the lens. So that's the reason why I have to pay extra. And with these two, so let me show you guys what this one look like. Ooh, what do y'all think of my new shade? So this is my new glasses, and definitely I can see the difference when I put this one on and I go back to, don't want to mess up my hair, and I go back to this. I can see with this one, but this one I can see even more better. The lens is more better. Everything is just more better. So this is my new glasses. What do you all think of my new glasses? And I really love the fact that this one I've changed the lens, because in the summer I can't really wear summer glasses. If I have summer glasses, it's just to make pictures and I take them off. I can't really wear them and walk outside in the street because I can't see anything, because the glass is black and it doesn't have anything there that's for my eyes. So this is the reason why this is a very old Tommy Hilfiger glasses. I got the glasses like a long time. I think I got this as a gift long time ago. So I've kept it, and since I got it as a gift, I've not been really using it a lot, only to make pictures, and that's it. So I thought, you know what, let me just go and change the lens and make it into like for people with eye problem, and then so I can able to wear it. So now that I've changed the lens, I can wear this one in the summer, I can walk outside, I can even wear this one to drive because it has the same sterkte. So when I'm wearing these glasses, it's not to just wear glasses. I really need to wear glasses for me to see very good. So sometimes, like for example, with glasses I can see this perfectly. Without glasses I can't able to read what is on here. So yeah, what do you guys think of my new shade? What do you guys think of my new glasses? It's so beautiful, and I really like, I have the case of this one. I have the case because this one was I have the case, so I'm really happy. At least now I can actually wear this one, go outside, do small yanga, you understand? But yeah, I'm really happy. So now, yeah, I feel really good. So this is my new shade. What else did I pick up? Oh, I picked up some Dove soap, because sometimes I like soap. I have black soap, but I like to also use soap. I picked this one for my tea because the one I have is broken, so I pick a new one. I pick a small notebook. I like to write things down. I don't know, I like to write, you know. I like to write because sometimes I really express myself in writing, and sometimes maybe I'm sitting down, something will come into my mind and I would like to write it down. So I thought having something like this is very nice, even though I have my phone, but sometimes I just like to write, you know. It's just therapy, just write. And I also got some stuff from Zalando. Let me guys show you quickly. And I'm still having this jacket on, but yeah, and it's a bit cold, you know. Excuse the messy bed, because yeah, the room is still airy. So I got some stuff from Zalando. I ordered some stuff. Let's open it. Let me show you guys what is in here. Oh yeah, this is, I ordered some jeans from Zalando. I ordered some jeans. I also ordered some winter jackets. I like to get my winter jackets in the summer because then they have discounts. Ooh, this one looks, oh yeah, it's very stretchy. It looks very small. This is in size 38, but it looks very small. But okay, it is very stretchy. It's an high waist jean. Okay. Okay. This is so cool. And what else did I get in here? I also got a big box. Yeah. Oh yeah, I got this top. Let me open it, yeah. I got this top also from Zalando. But you can pick this up at Bershka. You know the summer is coming. And I have this jacket that I bought from the TK Maxx. Oh yeah, I pick up this top and you have this like really nice shape here, and it's very stretchy. I picked the black and the white, so this is really nice. It's cool. I also picked up some dresses. Just show you guys what I picked up. Oh yeah. And I was invited to a party, I think next Saturday. So I do have a dress, but I really want to try to add more weight. So I'm going to be doing a lot of eating this week. Oh, this dress looks so beautiful. I feel like this is going to look so beautiful on me. Oh, I can't wait. And I also pick another dress. And then I pick a winter jacket. I like to get winter jackets in the summer. Like right now, all the winter jackets, they are now in sales because this season is over. Now they're having like, oh, this one looks really nice as well. Now they're having all summer stuff. So all the winter stuff, the winter jacket, they're now having like really big sales on Zalando. So I picked this jacket. It's really nice. Really sale sign. It's really nice, as you guys can see. It's a really nice black jacket. Like I don't really buy a winter jacket a lot. I like blazer, you guys know. Ali en Ashley ten beneden. Yeah, my F is still. And so I do have blazers, but when it comes to like jackets, I don't really buy a lot of jackets. The jacket I have, the red one that you guys see me wear all the time in my video, I bought that jacket since 2018, and I've having it, and up to now it's still very good. It's also a designer jacket, but I also bought it in the summertime. That jacket was like 150 euro original price, but I bought it for like 28 euros. I bought it like middle in the summer, like really in the summer holiday. I watched my Zalando wish list and I saw they have sales for 28 euros and was the last one, and I just buy it immediately. So that is how I got that jacket, and I've been having it now since 2018. So it's very good quality and I really love it. I'm still gonna keep it like to wear it around the area, like if I'm going to play outside with the kids in the garden, and then I will use this one like when I'm really going out and I need something. So that's why. So this one I got it black, and that jacket, that one was not really the color that I wanted. I actually wanted the black of that one, but the black sold out and they only have that one, and that one was the cheapest price. The black was still expensive. They did have one more in large, but the price was still expensive. But the colorful one, the price got down to like 70 or 75%. So it was very cheap. So I just bought it immediately. And this one also, they had some really huge discounts, and that's the reason why I bought it. And it's really nice. It has the zip here at the side. Here also it have two big pockets at the front. And what I love about it also, when you put it on, you have this thing here where you can put your hand. So for example, let me show you. Yeah, if you put it on, you can put your hand like this, and that's very good for in the winter if you're riding bicycle. And it's really nice. So I really love it. It's very beautiful. So yeah, these are all the stuff that I got. I feel like I'm just gonna put on this glass, and I'm gonna keep this one. I'm going to be keeping this one, but this one just looks, the colors just look much more brighter. I can see everything very good. So let me know, what do you all think of my glasses? Let me know. And shopping haul, what do you guys think of the clothes? Whenever I wear this clothes, I'll definitely do outfit look of the day for you guys. So if you guys want to see like outfit look, how I style my clothes, how I style myself, follow me on my beauty channel, which is, where's my phone, which is AMIFULLEST Beauty. Or what you can do is follow me on Instagram, because Instagram also I do post pictures of how I style my clothes, like stuff. I'm not really like a fashionista, but I like to style. I like simple things. I just like simple. So the blazer I got is like something like this one. I don't know if you guys can see, but then in this one is the brown one, but then I got the black. I got the brown, the black, the gray, and the beige, and the white. So I got it in different colors, and I really like it. Just not neutral colors. So follow me on IG if you guys want to see how I style my stuff. But I just want to come and show you guys all this thing, and show you guys my new glasses and my new plants. I do also have a big aloe vera plant there. When I got the nightstand, I will definitely come and show you guys how I fix it. And yeah, I'm really happy. I'm just feeling good, you know. I'm a little bit under the weather because I have allergic, and so my nose is kind of blocked. So I called the doctor for new medication, because the one that they gave me it's working, but it's not 100%. So I need to get a new one. So yeah, but I'm like this every summer. I'm kind of messed up in the summer. It's where my allergic just comes, because summer is where the plants are growing, everything is blooming. So I do have issue with that. But yo, I can't wait to try this dress. I really have to come and check how much kilo I am weighing, and I really need to gain some more kilo, because these 3 days I have not been really eating. I don't know why. I just don't have appetite for no reason. So yeah, I'm going to try to eat this week. I'm gonna eat a lot this week for next week, so that when I wear this dress, I can look fabulous in it. But yeah, so Team Fullest, I was just gonna stop this video here. Let us not do it too long. I'm gonna put this candle on. Oh, this smell. If you live in Holland, yeah, please try this. Try this candle. Je moet echt deze kaas proberen. It smells like the Tom Ford vanilla tobacco perfume. It has this tobacco. It smells. Just that Tom Ford perfume is more stronger, but this one smells so good. I'm going to light it. I have this one in my room specially just to light my candles, because I don't bring it downstairs. Because sometimes you want to light candles and you have to go downstairs, and I don't like it. So I just have this one in my bedroom, standing there, and oh, it smells so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. But yeah, so let's end this video here. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye.